Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, May 24th, 2023. It is 8:03 and 19 seconds, AM Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, hologram algorithms. So let's jump to it here. New algorithm uses a hologram to control trapped ions. Date May 5th, 2021. Source, University of Waterloo. Researchers have discovered the most precise way to control individual ions using holographic optical engineering technology, as this technology promises to help create more precise controls of qubits that will aid the development of quantum industry specific hardware to further new quantum simulation experiments and potentially quantum error correction processes for trapped ion qubits. The algorithm calculates the hologram's profile and removes any aberrations from the light, which lets us develop a highly precise technique for programming ions. A laser aimed at an ion can talk to it and change the quantum state of the ion, forming the building blocks of quantum information processing. However, laser beams have aberrations and distortions that can result in a messy, wide focus spot, which is a problem because the distance between trapped ions is a few micrometers, much narrower than a human hair. The laser beam profiles the team wanted to stimulate. The ions would need to be precisely engineered. To achieve this, they took a laser, blew its light up to 1 centimeter wide, and then sent it through a digital micromirror device, which is programmable and functions as a movie projector. The digital micromirror device chip has 2 million micron scale mirrors on it that are individually controlled using electric voltage. Using an algorithm that the researchers developed, the digital micromirror device chip is programmed to display a hologram pattern. The light produced from the digital micromirror device hologram can have its intensity and phase exactly controlled. In testing, the team has been able to manipulate each ion with the holographic light. Previous research has struggled with crosstalk, which means that if a laser focuses on one ion, the light leaks on the surrounding ions. With this device, the team successfully characterizes the aberrations using an ion as a sensor. They can then cancel the aberrations by adjusting the hologram and obtain the lowest crosstalk in the world. As there is a challenge in using commercially available digital micromirror device technology, its controller is made for projectors and ultraviolet lithography, not quantum experiments. The next step is to develop their own hardware for quantum computation experiments. And this is the Professor on Advanced Physics, Hologram and Optics Genius, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.